Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve question number 2 based on ages. This type of questions are asked in CBSE class 10 or in competitive examination also. That is, we will solve it by using two variables. Now the question is 10 years ago father was 12 times as old as his son. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि 10 साल पहले जो पिता की उम्र थी वो अपने बेटे की उम्र की 12 टाइम्स थी एंड 10 ईयर्स हेंस और आज के 10 साल के बाद जो ही विल बी ट्वाइस ओल्ड एज हिज सन मीन्स जो पिता की उम्र होगी वो 2 टाइम्स होगी उसके अपने बेटे से. फाइंड देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस. सो इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमको पहले मानना पड़ता है लेट द प्रेजेंट एज बी x years. Let present age let present age of father be x years and son's age y years. So let the present age of father be x years and son's age y years. हमने दो एज को मान लिया. Now 10 years ago, 10 years ago मतलब आज के 10 साल के पहले प्रेजेंट से. तो हम क्या करेंगे फादर्स एज मतलब जो पिता की उम्र है फादर्स एज we will write as x minus 10 years. Son's age will be y minus 10 years. Now, according to the given condition that father was 12 times as old as his son. So, I will write according to given first condition we will get one equation that is x minus 10 means father will become 12 times of his son. So we will solve it. X minus 10 equals to 12y minus 120. 12 into 10 that is 120. Or I will get x minus 12y equals to minus 120 plus 10 that is minus 110. So our first equation becomes x minus 12y equals to 110. Let us say this equation first we have got from the condition number 1. Now again I will read 10 years hence means present age के 10 साल के बाद. तो 10 years hence means present 10 years hence. क्या कंडीशन होती है फादर्स एज father's age will become x plus 10 years, उसमें हम ऐड कर देंगे son's age will become y plus 10 years, मतलब दोनों की जो उम्र है उसमें 10 साल ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. सो फादर्स एज विल बिकम x प्लस 10 और सन्स की जो एज है वो y प्लस 10 हो जाएगी. नाउ he said that he will be twice as old as his son, मतलब according to condition, according to condition, according to second condition, second condition, we will get x plus 10, that is the father, will become 2 times the age of his sons. मीन्स फादर की एज अपने बेटे की उम्र से 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगी. सो वी विल नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. x plus 10, x plus 10 equals to 2y plus 20 or x minus 2y equals to 10. 20 minus 10, that is x minus 2y equals to 10. So this is our equation second. So पहली कंडीशन में जो इक्वेशन मिला था that was x minus 12y equals to minus 110. सेकेंड कंडीशन में जो इक्वेशन मिला हमको x minus 2y equals to 10. Now since subtracting equation second from first. So our first equation is x minus 12y equals to minus 110. Second equation is x minus 2y equals to 10. Now since I am subtracting, so I will change the sign. I will put the minus sign. So x and x cancels. We will get minus 10y equals to minus 120, or y equals to minus 120 upon minus 10 equals to 12 years, because 12 10 are 120. So this is 12 years. Now we have got the age of son is, that is 12 years. Now to know the age of father, I can put the value of y in equation 2. So substituting the value of y equals to 12 in equation second. अब मैं इसको सेकेंड इक्वेशन में वैल्यू को लिखूंगा. सो x माइनस 2 इंटू 12 बिकॉज y इज 12 इक्वल्स टू 10, और x minus 24 equals to 10, or x equals to 10 plus 24 equals to 34 years. Now the value of x has comes out to be 34 years. मतलब जो father है, his age is 34 years and the son's age is 12 years. So our answer will become, हमारा आंसर होगा father's age equals to 34 years and son's age equals to 12 years. So in this way, this type of question of related to ages are solved. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.